This is a finished product. Now, it might not look like it to you per se, but this was a sewer backup that we did on the east side of Milwaukee off of Maryland and Locust. What we did here was just killed the odor, disposal, and pressure wash and sanitize the basement floor. That is, wipe down the appliances, hot water tanks, kill all odors in there, germs, any contamination like that. And I'll show you throughout the rest of the basement. This is like a triplex, 3 floors. And the restroom as well. Over here, we did the same thing too. This basement was kind of about 25% full. So this is the finished product here. There's only 1 floor drain in this building, but 3 floors up. But it worked out well. And it's a finished product, so we're done here. I just like for you to see what the outcome is. There's 3 dehumidifiers running down here too. Somewhat of a down basement, but it's not that bad. So this is where we are now. All up in here, all in here, all up in here. So this is the finished product. Efficient cleaning services. I thank you. Have a good work day. Bye-bye.